Hi friends, this video shows how to stop PS5 from entering into rest mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Then go to system. Under system, set power saving. Under power saving, go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Select this option. Here we can see two options. During media playback while playing games. Let me select first option, then select this last option, don't put in rest mode. Done. Then go to second option, while playing games, select it. Here also we need to select this last option, don't put in rest mode. Done. So this way we can stop PS5 from entering into rest mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.